it dirty. I'm not getting it dirty. Get off that freaking stump. You want to run them?
Run them.
Let's run them. So we are here. We can't zoom in. What is this technology? All right, so we survived day one. Bike made it. A couple little problems. I hit a little hidden stump in a ditch, and I kind of went over the handlebars and dumped the bike. Scuffed up the brake lever there, foot pegs a little bit, and my muffler's a little bit loose. So my bad though. So when I get back, I'll have to sand that down, repaint that. Same there. Fix up my bracket back there. We should be good to go. But the plans for today, you can't quite see it, but that tree about right there is Custer Peak. There's a lookout tower on the top of that guy. We're gonna ride through the woods all the way over there. I think it's gonna be a long day. We're gonna have to bring a lot of water because, God, what is that? That's at least 15 miles. Fat cat still kicking ass.
Wow.
No problems.
Make sure we got enough gas.
Yeah.
It's a long haul.
Actually, if you want to go back and look at the build and restoration video of this, I'll leave links in the description below and in the comments. Pretty fun build. Didn't take a lot of video of it, but this thing has been kind of the trail king we found over the years, right?
It's pretty damn dominant.
Yeah. Cool. This is pretty nice on the pavement. Let's do this. Around a blind corner, that's brilliant. Oh yeah, right here. Oh, our spot from last year's here. I think we should go pack up. I think we should go pack up and move over here. It's kind of a nice little campground. It's a cool lake out here. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. We stopped a forest fire a few years back. We were coming off. We were really high in elevation out by Custer Peak, and we saw a bunch of smoke off in the distance. So we ended up getting to a place where we got cell signal and called it in. By the time we got back down to the campground, they were doing helicopter water drops here. A big old bag on the bottom of the helicopter, scooping up water and trout out of the lake and dropping the trout on the forest fire. And the trout is a special sauce, I guess, because they stopped the forest fire. I think we helped. Cool. Let's go down and take a look at the lake. What do you think? You want to run them?
Run them.
Let's run them. 3, 2, 1, go. That was good. What happened on your bike there?
Got dirty. Some jerk just blew past
there goes the
me.
360 camera.
Yeah, I did it.
Yeah. I'm not good at this YouTube thing. thing about not having my phone right here, I can't use the 360 cam as my rear view mirror to see if Dad's still back there or if he's inverted. Say, that's a nice bike. Somebody's bringing the dang motorhome up here. Nice. Oh. I guess. Howdy. How you doing? Hanging out, just having a snack. Alright, see you later. Oh, this is much better than the Trail 90 last year. This thing's got a lot more power. Ride's a lot nicer too. This thing is a dream through the rocks. Made it, no problem. Like I was saying, this thing sounds a lot better than the Trail 90. Trail 90 going up that last year was just clunk, 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 hitting the skid plate about every 20 seconds, and the clutch smelled like fire. What do you got going on over here? Oh, so you can ride by and pick up garbage on the trail?
Cleaning up after mankind.
Pretty nice.
Trails are a lot cleaner this year than they were last year. Haven't been picking up too much, so that's a good thing.
Not clean right here. Going downhill, I think I'm gonna go put it in neutral. We're gonna go into eco mode. Nice, sweet. Gosh, this bike feels so dang light. It's beautiful. Feels like I'm riding a bicycle going down the hill here. Well, that stinks. We go all this way, and they got the gate locked. Wonder what it says. So they're doing construction until September 18th. So we're not going to be able to go up there. Well, what a letdown. I guess we should have called and made sure Wally World was going to be open before we rode all this way. We'll find somewhere, dude. Side by sides. Kevin's Cabins. Kevin's Cabins. I think he's got about a half dozen RV sites with full hookups. I think he's got 50 amp and water and dump. Big old nice cabin here to the right, and another like a Morton building, metal building to the left, and it looks like there's nobody here. Pretty nice cabin here. I think there's a few spots you can rent in there. They've got a zip line that goes off the patio down into that valley over there. That's darn cool. Camp pad there, a couple camp pads there. I think there's another rental cabin back there, and they got 50 amp hookups, water, dump station. Everything you need. Looks like there's some firewood there too. So yeah, check out Kevin's Cabins next time you're in the Northern Hills area. I think you might like it. Very good. So here we go. Mystic Hills Lodge, it's called, I guess. You know, since they blocked off that road, I think we could actually make it if we cut up this direction through the woods. What's it, like a $10,000 fine?
Money.
Yeah.
We got those Deadwood bucks.
Got those Deadwood bucks from last night?
Yeah.
We got dozens and dozens of dollars last night in Deadwood.
Yeah.
Okay.
Life changing.
Yeah. Let's do this. What do you think? You want to run them?
Run them. I'm debating. Last time I started in second.
Yeah.
But oh, we're going downhill.
I'm gonna start in second.
Yep. Right.
So 3, 2, 1, go, and we'll go on go.
Go on go.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, come on, come on.
Just got a little stutter. I gotta get a little
You
game.
have to ease into it. 3, 2, 1, go. Start that time. Oh well, that was fun. Hey Cal. Cal, how you doing, buddy? Hey, where you going? You want some trail mix? You want some trail mix? It's pretty good. No? Well, I'll see if your buddy wants some. long day of riding. I think we're gonna do it simple. Just some brats, some buns, ketchup, mustard, call it good. Hey, where are you going with that cookie?
Alright, I hope you liked this episode of Bigfoot Bikes and Brews. Click on one of the videos here if you want to see some more. And please click on the Bigfoot button to subscribe to the channel and join in on the fun. See you next week.